Are your favorite foods secretly stealing your eyesight? After 50, what's on your plate might be putting your vision at risk. Here are 6 foods that may contribute to vision loss after age 50 if consumed excessively or as part of an unhealthy diet. 1. Sugary foods and beverages. Did you know that something as sweet as your favorite dessert could silently harm your vision over time? Yes, sugary foods like candies, pastries, and sodas may taste delightful, but their impact on your eyes can be devastating, especially after 50. Here's why. High sugar foods cause blood sugar spikes, and over time, this can lead to chronic conditions like diabetes. But it doesn't stop there. Your eyes can pay the price too. Elevated blood sugar damages the delicate blood vessels in your retina, leading to diabetic retinopathy, a major cause of blindness worldwide. What's more, it accelerates the risk of macular degeneration, a condition that blurs the sharp central vision you rely on for reading and recognizing faces. Imagine struggling to see your loved ones clearly or losing the joy of simple activities like reading a book. That's the potential danger sugary treats bring. But here's the good news. You can fight back. Reducing sugary snacks, choosing healthier alternatives like fruits, and keeping your blood sugar in check not only protects your eyes but can also enhance your overall well-being. Take charge of your eye health today because your vision is priceless. Don't let sugar dim your world. 2. Fried and processed foods. Could your love for crispy fried snacks and fast food be secretly harming your vision? It's true. Those golden fries, crunchy chips, and indulgent baked goods might not just affect your waistline, they could also take a toll on your eyes. Here's the science. Fried and processed foods are packed with trans fats, a dangerous type of fat that wreaks havoc on your body. Trans fats trigger inflammation and oxidative stress, two key culprits behind age-related macular degeneration, AMD. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in adults over 50, robbing you of the ability to see fine details, like reading your favorite book or enjoying the beauty of a sunset. Think about this. Each bite of those tempting snacks adds to the damage. But don't worry, you're not doomed to give up flavor. Swapping fried foods for heart-healthy options like roasted nuts or air-pop popcorn can make a huge difference. Your vision deserves protection, and it starts with what's on your plate. Keep your eyes sharp and vibrant by cutting back on fried, processed foods. Because when it comes to your vision, isn't it worth making the healthier choice? 3. Refined carbohydrates. Did you know that your daily slice of white bread or bowl of pasta could be affecting more than just your weight? Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and even some breakfast cereals might be doing silent damage to your eyes. Here's why. These foods have a high glycemic index, meaning they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. While this may not seem alarming at first, over time, these spikes take a toll on your body, especially your eyes. High blood sugar weakens the tiny blood vessels in your retina, making you more susceptible to serious conditions like glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. These conditions can lead to blurred vision, difficulty focusing, and even permanent vision loss if left unchecked. Imagine losing your ability to see clearly because of what's on your plate. But there's hope. Opting for whole grains like oats, quinoa, or whole wheat bread can stabilize blood sugar levels and protect your precious eyesight. Your vision is worth the change. By choosing healthier carbs today, you're taking a powerful step toward preserving your eyesight for the years to come. Don't let refined carbs steal the clarity from your world. 4. Red and processed meats. Could your love for red meat and those savory sausages be silently affecting your eyesight? While red and processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli slices might be delicious, overindulging could come at a hidden cost: your vision. Here's what's happening. These foods are loaded with saturated fats, which can contribute to clogged arteries. When blood flow is restricted, your eyes, which rely on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, suffer the consequences. Over time, this can increase your risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a condition that damages the central part of your vision. AMD can make it harder to read, recognize faces, or enjoy your favorite activities. But there's good news. Making small changes to your diet can have a big impact. Try swapping red meats for healthier protein sources like fish, beans, or lean poultry. These alternatives can help keep your arteries clear and your eyes sharp. Your vision is a gift. By being mindful of what's on your plate, you can protect it for the future. Don't let unhealthy choices blur the beautiful moments in your life. Choose wisely, because your eyes deserve the best. 5. Salty foods. Could the salt shaker on your table be quietly affecting your vision? Salty foods like chips, processed soups, and pickled treats might satisfy your taste buds, but they could be putting your eyes at risk. Here's why. Diets high in salt can lead to high blood pressure, a condition that doesn't just harm your heart but also damages the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Over time, this increases the risk of hypertensive retinopathy, a condition where high pressure causes blood vessel damage, leading to vision problems or even permanent loss. That's not all. Excess sodium can also cause fluid retention, leaving your eyes puffy and uncomfortable. Now, imagine struggling with blurry vision or dealing with constant discomfort, all because of too much salt in your diet. But there's hope. By cutting back on processed and salty foods and seasoning your meals with herbs and spices instead, you can protect your vision and reduce your overall health risks. Your eyes work hard every day. Give them the care they deserve. A simple change in your eating habits today can preserve your ability to see the beauty of life for years to come. 6. Artificially sweetened foods. Could your healthier choice of diet soda or sugar-free snack be a hidden threat to your vision? Artificially sweetened foods and drinks may seem like the perfect alternative to sugar, but their impact on your eyes might tell a different story. Here's the truth. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners can disrupt blood sugar regulation in certain individuals. Over time, this can contribute to conditions like diabetic retinopathy, where high blood sugar damages the blood vessels in your retina. This condition can lead to blurred vision, dark spots, or even permanent blindness if left unchecked. Think about it. While you're trying to cut calories or manage your sugar intake, these sweeteners might be adding to long-term risks instead of helping. But don't worry, there's a smarter way. Opt for natural alternatives like honey or stevia, and focus on a balanced diet with fresh fruits to satisfy your sweet cravings. Your eyes are irreplaceable, and taking care of them doesn't have to mean giving up sweetness entirely. Make informed choices today to protect your vision for tomorrow. Because when it comes to your health, even the small decisions make a big difference. Thanks for watching.